If you are considering ending a long-distance relationship, it is crucial to handle the breakup with kindness and respect. Be honest and direct about your reasons, avoiding mixed messages, and treat your partner as you would want to be treated. While breakup in person is ideal, especially for longer relationships, phone or video chat are preferable over text or email to ensure real-time interaction and minimize miscommunication. It's important to listen to their reaction without escalating into an argument. Additionally, clearly discuss post-breakup communication boundaries, recognizing that suggesting to stay friends immediately can cause confusion and hurt. Finally, honor any pre-made arrangements or financial obligations, and understand that feelings of guilt or anxiety after the breakup are normal and will pass with time.